When travelers come to Vietnam, they often seek beautiful things with meaning, not mass-produced souvenirs, but handcrafted treasures that carry heart and heritage. At NAU Factory, wood becomes more than material. It becomes craftsmanship, memory, and thoughtful design. From wooden calendars and desk clocks, to artful ornaments, accessories, and bespoke gifts, each piece is carefully crafted by hand, with attention to detail, graceful form, and enduring quality. Whether it's a wall clock inspired by Vietnamese landscapes, a personalized wooden keepsake, or a decorative object infused with local artistry, every item reflects Vietnam's rich woodworking tradition and a modern design sensibility. These wood creations are functional and beautiful, perfect for decorating a home, marking a milestone, or gifting someone special. They carry both utility and cultural soul. For travelers seeking authentic Vietnamese artistry, NAU Factory offers pieces that are meaningful, lasting, and unmistakably unique. A gift from Vietnam. A story carved into wood.